Hello guys, hello mga ka-Shopee sellers. I'm CJ Atunaga as your accountant for today. So, I will be discussing yung annual income tax returns natin, yung mga forms na gagamitin natin for our annual income tax return. So disclaimer lang, accountant is not all know basis. Sometimes we tend to forget and miss something. If so, please let me know in the comments. So this is your guide only. So hindi pa to yung 1701 na form talaga. So parang i-explain ko lang dito kung ano yung mga 1701 forms na kakailanganin natin. So, ano nga ba yung ating income tax? So, income tax is a tax on a person's income, emoluments, profits arising from property, practice of oppression, conduct or trade or business, or on pertinent items of gross income specified in tax code as amended, less the deduction, if any, authorized by such types of income by tax code as amended or other special laws. So, ano nga ba siya? So, para sa atin, mga ka-Shopee seller, dito tayo pumapasok sa conduct of trade ng business natin. So, ayan. So, who are required to file income tax returns? So, sino nga ba? Individuals, which means tayo, mga Shopee sellers, na ang inano natin is ating sole proprietor. So, sino ba yung mga individuals? So, resident citizens, receiving income from sources within or outside the Philippines. So, kung tayo ay isang resident citizen o ikaw ay isang Pilipino, kumbaga ang income mo from sources kung nanggagaling sa within or outside the Philippines, i-required ka na may income tax return ka. So, employees deriving purely compensation income from two or more employees concurrently or successively at any time during the year. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung employee ka, na may dalawang employers or sabay-sabay or within the year may dalawa ka or more, kunyari nag-resign ka ng 6 months, then 6 months dun sa isa, so gagawa ka pa din ng income tax returns mo. So employees deriving purely compensation income regardless of amount, whether from single or several employees during the year, the income tax of which shall not be held correctly or tax due is not equal to the tax withheld resulting to the collectible or refundable return. So, ito yung mga employees na hindi tama yung pagkaka-withheld sa kanila. Yan mga employers nila. So, self-employed individuals. So, ito yun. Receiving income from the conduct of trade. Tayo yan. Yung mga Shopee sellers natin. So, ayan siya. Practice of oppression. Yan. Business or practice of oppression. So, ito naman, individuals deriving mixed income. So, si mixed income earner ay nagsasubmit din ng ating annual income tax return. So, individuals deriving other non-business, non-professional related addition to the compensation not otherwise subject to final tax. So, mga individuals na hindi business or professional related, basta may income ka. Ganyan. Individuals receiving purely compensation income from single employer, although the income of which has been corrected but whose spouse is not entitled to substituted filing. Non-resident citizen receiving income from sources within the Philippines. So, non-resident, mga foreigners na kumikita dito sa Philippines. Aliens whose, whether resident or not, receiving income, basta ka na, from the Philippines. So, who are required to file income tax return? So, meron tayong individuals, meron tayong non-individuals. So, non-individuals, corporations, or including partnerships, domestic, usually corporations itong mga to. So, ayan, hindi na natin masyadong diniscuss kasi Shopee sellers naman tayo. So, BR Form 1701. So, 1700 kasi maraming 1700. So, 1700 lang. So, meron tayong BR Form 700 lang. Annual income tax for earning purely tayo. Ibig sabihin ito yung mga purely income tax earners. Purely compensation or yung mga salary lang. Kunyari, 2 or more tayo, 2 or more employers for the year, ganyan. Yan yung mga gagamit ng 1701. So, sino ang gagamit ng 1700 pala yun? 1701, Meron tayong dalawa, 1701A. So, ayan, income tax return for individuals earning purely. So, business and profession under, dito tayo, undergraduated income tax rate with OSD as mode of deduction or those opted with 8% flat income tax rate. So, kung purely business income ka tapos ang in-opt mo is OSD or 8%, so ang gagamitin mong form is 1701A. 1701A kapag 8% at OSD. So kapag 1701V 2018, again, this forms is for annual income tax natin, no? Hindi to siya quarterly. Wag malilito. Annual income tax yung pinag-uusapan natin. So, BRR Form 1701V 2018, lahat ng individuals to hindi corporate. So, including mixed income earners. Ibig sabihin, kapag mixed income earners ka, ang kukunin mo is 1701V 2018 at kung ikaw ay itemized deduction at compensation earner, yan, 1701V 2018. So, 1701Q, ito yung sinasabi ko na quarterly natin. So, ito yung 1700. Ito yung 1700. Makikita naman dyan, dito yung andyan yung ating description kung ano siya. So, annual, ibig sabihin yearly, tapos earning purely compensation income. So, kapag hindi ka lang purely compensation, ibig sabihin hindi mo to kailangan. Pero kung purely compensation ka, kailangan mo yan. So, for ating 1701A, kung 8% ka lang, yan, ito ang gagamitin mo. Or, nag-OSD ka. Pero, again, purely natin na from business or profession. Kung mixed income earner ka, ayan na, kahit na 8% ka, basta mixed income or may compensation, then 8%, itong 1701, 2018 yung gagamitin natin. Okay? Ayan, makikita naman dyan yan, including mixed income earner estates. So, kung itemized deduction, 1701. Kung mixed income earner, 1701. Kung 8% lang, is 1701A. So, okay. So, deadline for our annual income tax return is on or before the 50th day of April of each year covering taxable income. So, hanggang April 15 pa siya. So, ayun. Frequently asked question, mag-upload po ba ng 1701? Yes po, wait lang po. Sorry, noong January kasi maraming reports na kailangan tapusin during January since kakatapos lang ng calendar year. So, medyo busy and out of the country kami. Kaya, nagbakasyon muna. Kaya, hindi ako nakagawa ng video. So, ayun, April 15 pa naman siya. So, wait nyo lang. Baka this coming weeks, mag-upload na po ako. Sorry kung matagal. So, ayun lang. Thank you. Kung nakatulong po ako sa inyo, please like, share, and subscribe. Please watch the ads kung meron man. Salamat po. YouTube channel is Alt+F Travel.